I really think it saved my life, honestly. As far as my life, I went from temp job to temp service, and I worked a lot of jobs, man. I think this was actually a career instead of a job maybe working for a couple months. So it really kind of saved my life, being able to support my wife and my daughter.
The Construction Mentor program impacted me in a number of different ways. Honestly, it put me where I actually want to be, which is in the construction field, without any fear of what somebody might judge or think about me being a woman. And also, I opened up a business in construction. I have a janitorial service in construction, so it kind of put me where I needed to be.
I felt like the construction mentoring program was very impactful in my life as far as being able to just venture off and do things that I've never done before, just being able to learn new things that I've never learned, and it's been really helpful.
I got a lot of hands-on knowledge without actually having to go through that 4-year degree, without actually having to pay all those student loans. And I can make as much or even more money than those people who are going to those 4-year colleges and putting out those degrees. You can make that going through the Construction Mentor program without going to college at all.
I think having a mentor was mostly important because a lot of people don't know which way to go. And I was one of those people. I didn't know which way to go and how to turn and how to apply and what exactly to do to even get a job in this position. And just like I said, being able to be hands-on with the mock interviews and a mentor showing you how to update your resume and taking the steps to even be there to teach you those things was very, very helpful.
I've expanded my knowledge in construction. I've also gained resources in construction. I've gained some collabs in construction. So it pushed me to the next level, like I said, to start my business and pursue a career in construction.
It's really opened my eyes to see the benefits of a lot of things, even with my home life, as far as fixing things and doing everything, being able to do things on my own and being hands-on. And as far as I do roof repair now, and I've fixed my mom's leaks and things like that. So it's been really beneficial for me.
In the next 5 years, I see myself honestly doing mentoring. I see myself expanding my business. I see myself offering jobs out there to people for construction. So I see myself doing a lot in 5 years.
I see more than just being out there on a roof. I see managing and showing and teaching. I like teaching people things that I've learned. So I think my future is pretty bright.
I just want to say that the program, like I said, for me, and I've said a number of different ways, it's helped me a whole lot. It has opened me up to letting me know that what am I doing is not wrong, that I am accepted, and that I can continue on with it, so I'm going to pursue that.
If you have the opportunity to be in this program and you're a little bit nervous, a little bit shaky, just give it a chance because it's really changed my life and I think it would change others.